So what to do now?
Mabayad na naman ko dahil.
Ano ka muna kaya? Mag-check. Titignan muna natin. Yeah, she have hand carry.
This one my hand carry. Maybe it can go. Try and put some.
Yeah. We will try. OMG, guys. Yan na, guys. Sila nga, guys. See? Sumobra yung kanilang kg. So, kailangan nila bawasan. Kailangan daw balance yung kanilang timbang sa kanilang luggage. Ganun pala yun, guys. Sorry. Hindi ko alam kasi first time ko sa Dubai yun. Dati, lagi ako always I'm going vacation in Abu Dhabi airport. But in Dubai, I think it's different or what? I don't know. Ayan, guys. Pag gusto mong parating, ayan, may bayad din. Ito ngayon, yung friend ko, natitense na kasi kailangan daw balance yung laki ng kanyang, yung kg ng kanyang bagahe. So, gawa namin ng paraan. Ang kanyang flight ay 7 o'clock. So, we have time. Yala. We start. We will transfer the other things here. Ah?
May time pa ko?
Oo. Bayan, baka magpagod lang tayo ng ano. Baka mamaya sa atin pwede, sa kanila hindi. Sige. Ayun guys, nagtatanong yung aking friend kung pwede ba ito. Kasi kailangan daw balance eh. So, 126.4 kg and 19.8. So, they said supposed to be balanced. The kg is supposed to be balanced. So, sige na.